If you are looking for an environmentally friendly, highly transparent and weather-resistant resin for wood,
a K9527 will be a very good choice.
Low odor, 0 VOC, 100% solid content.
it is suitable for floor oil, patio oil, and furniture oil. It has strong penetration. It can deeply penetrate into the wood fibers, making the wood grain more three-dimensional, clearer, and more textured. It's water and stain resistant and wear resistant. It is very suitable for floor oil and outdoor protection oil. The original viscosity of the resin is 173 test results, and 4-cup viscosity of 39 seconds. The comparison results show that Kirin a K9527 makes wood more texture and more durable. Application scenarios. Kirin's a K9527 is a high-quality long-oil alkyd resin